So here I'm adding for any HTML or any blogger site. First of all, important for the add your Facebook page plugin. Plugin nothing but any website people coming to like your Facebook page, share your content purpose. In your Facebook page, what are the content will be there? The people can share your content and like your page. So that is purpose. Select your Facebook page URL. Copy this. In this one, you can select option call is developer.facebook.com/doc/plugin/page-plugin. In this, copy the first your Facebook page URL. When URL copy, the show your content will be mandatory from your here. After that, what are the options we can show in this? Use small header like this. Next one, hide your cover photo. Why? Because when using for small header, don't use it for cover photograph. Suppose I'm not using for small header, you can show for display will be like this. Adapt to page container width. Next one, show your friends faces. So who can you like your page and show your friends faces? I'm not interested. Click here. Once done, you can change your width also 180 to 500. I'm selecting for 180. 180 means how much display will be like this. Is a width. So I am discuss about the 250. These are the width. Second will be height. Is a height. 80 is a 80. So I'm writing for 180. So my concept will be here two options. One is called like and share. So when sharing will be here, when scroll will be share button will be shown. So this will be people can reach my content will be 250 will be my height. The reason is people easily share my content. They like my page, they share my content. After click for get code. Anytime you can change your height and width, no issues. After that, is the generating for step 1 your page, step 2 is the code, step 3 is the code. First to copy for your step 3 code. Why? Because here totally your page height width will be here on your option. Suppose for your change your height and width on your code, see this one, width and height. So copy the step 3 code. In this, go to your Blogger dashboard. Option call is layout. In this option call is sidebar, right one. Click for add a gadget. In this option call is HTML by JavaScript. Write on your Facebook page name. Content part, paste the code. Click for save. Once done this, go for back, copy the step 2 code, same procedure. Blogger dashboard, layout, add a gadget. In this one, HTML by JavaScript. Now your title will be empty. Why? Because I'm already adding for my title will be first step 3 code. Content, paste it. After add this, just drag your position for footer. Save image. Look here. The before anything will be not there in my Facebook page icon. The page plugin. Now you can see. Any new user coming to your blogger for increase your Facebook page likes and shares will be add on your Facebook page plugin. The simple the using for developer.facebook.com/doc/plugin/page-plugin. Here two uses. One is called share my content, like my page. Share content will be here. Now here one question is there. Sir, I'm adding the content. Can I change my height? Can I change my height? Simple, go back. Where your code, edit. The code part is showing for your height. Showing for height. So I'm coding open here. In this, select your data height. How much will be showing for 250? I'm writing for 300. Now click for save. After that, save an image. Okay, refresh. Automatically change by your height on your here. How much height will be need? Change your height here. Is it clear? So 350, 400, 500, anything will be changing over here. So up to you can show your share button. You can increase up to 500 also. Is it clear? This is called you can change your height and width on your code option. But any code will generate by simple. That is called page plugin option. So this is called add your Facebook page plugin on your website. And support only for branded page URL, not support by Facebook group and Facebook profile URL. Only promote your brand identity using for your HTML and blogger website. For increase your likes, share your content purpose.